The Centroid A532 CNC cylinder head machining center allows you to automatically duplicate your race-winning cylinder head designs. Much more than just a 5-axis machining center, Centroid has specifically designed the A532 for CNC cylinder head work. Our patented tilting rotary table, with its made-in-the-USA rigid cast-iron construction and unique ball screw drive, provides the industry's best combustion chamber to manifold-side CNC ports with smooth, continuous transitions. But most importantly, the Centroid system is a complete turnkey package. We provide you with the tools and the knowledge to produce great cylinder heads. 10 full days of comprehensive CNC cylinder head machining training is included with every machine. The Centroid CNC cylinder head porting machine is available in two main configurations, an open design as seen on the left and a fully enclosed machining center. While both 5-axis machines have equivalent travels and capacities, the open frame lends itself towards prototyping and production. A feature specific to the open frame is the ability to run off of either 3-phase or single-phase power. Geared more towards production, the enclosed machine is equipped with a 24-pocket swing-arm automatic tool changer. This machine is only available to run off of 3-phase power. The tool changer holds up to 24 different tools. This allows continuous cylinder head machining with no operator attendance required. The machine will automatically switch to the required tool for the next operation. The Centroid has streamlined the 5-axis CNC cylinder head porting process down to 3 simple steps. Step 1 is where the patented Centroid Touch Probe will automatically digitize your hand-shaped cylinder head. Centroid's true 5-axis digitizing is quick, highly accurate, and fully automatic. Centroid designs and manufactures its own touch probe with advanced technology specifically designed for CNC cylinder head reproduction. Centroid's digitizing is fully integrated into the system, so there's no secondary machine, computer, or software needed to digitize. The digitizing step is performed on the very machine that also ports the cylinder head. Step 2 is creating the toolpaths. This is the step where we take the digitized information and create new toolpaths using the included Mastercam CAD/CAM software so we can machine an exact replica of our hand-shaped design in a new casting. Once we have our toolpaths laid down, we're ready to go on to step 3, so it's time to load up a fresh casting and hit cycle start. In addition to the industry's most accurate CNC cylinder head porting, this versatile machine can perform many other CNC cylinder head machining tasks. The A532 can machine valve spring pockets to any custom diameter perfectly square with the valve guide bore. Rocker arm mounting pads can easily be drilled and tapped and then faced at the perfect angle at just the right height. And with the Centroid system, it's easy to engrave your custom artwork anywhere on the cylinder head. In addition to engraving and rocker arm pads and valve spring pockets, use of the A532 is almost unlimited. It's really up to your imagination. Here's a partial list of some of the CNC operations the A532 can do above and beyond just CNC porting. Many record-holding shops have discovered the race-winning advantages of the Centroid CNC cylinder head porting system. Give us a call and stop by our Central Pennsylvania facility for your personal Centroid CNC porting machine demonstration. Be sure to check back at our website for information on upcoming trade shows where you can see our cylinder head porting machines in action.